Face coal can be used as fuel and raw material for chemical products. Surface coal outdoor ball machine installation. To do waterproof treatment. If suspension installation is used, there is a gap between the coal face ball press and the bracket. In case of rain or snow, water can seep into the interior along the cracks and cause harm. Therefore, waterproof and sealing measures should be taken during the installation of the coal face ball press to prevent rain from entering the ball machine installation bracket from the spiral interface. It is also very important to choose the original bracket because the original bracket fully considered the waterproof problem, such as the inclination design to make the ball machine spin slightly higher end, even if the water in the bracket will only flow back to the column but not into the ball machine.